And then I'm going to spend a little bit of time on the third one, which is brand message. And this is extremely important because for most people in this room, you should stop marketing today until you understand this. Because I promise you, and I'm saying this with as much sincerity as I possibly can, the marketing that 98% of people put out has nothing to do with their brand purpose or their brand message. When we do your audit, for those of you who decide to do that, the last slide on that audit simply says, does the person that I meet right here one-on-one, that the person that I'm talking to, can I find any evidence online to convict you of that person? And the answer for most people is absolutely not. Because you haven't spent the time to say, this is what I'm going to do. So just stop, hit the pause button, and work through to figure this out before you start going back to market. You're going to save yourself a lot of wasted money because here's what happens. People say, I've been marketing, I've been doing social media, and it doesn't work. No, social media works. You just don't know how to work it. And I'm not even talking about the X and O's of whether I'm posting to Facebook or I'm using stories or I'm doing ads. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the message that has to land.